Yeah, guys. Ah. Hey guys, so I just want to do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be working with brand ambassador in Bramley Cosmetics. Is it Bramley Cosmetics? I'm not sure. Bramley Cosmetics. Or I really feel like the box was really cute, and it's a lot of things. They really did try, honestly. So this is what is in the box. So there's 5 tissue oils, but 4 different ones. The first one here is Cocoa Heaven. Don't mind my nails, I'm still getting them done. It's just a whole lot going on here. There's Cocoa Heaven. What? And there's Magnolia. I've tried this one. I love it. Love it. I haven't tried anything else in here. And there's Lavender. And then there's Pink Blossom. So that's 4 plus 5. This is also Magnolia. And then they gave us body butters. It's 3 of them. I think. Where's the third one now? It is another one there. Okay, I can't find it. But it's 3 of them. Is it 2? No, we got 3. They gave us the lavender. Then there's the Magnolia. Oh, the cocoa one I'm already using here. There's also a Cocoa Heaven. Why do I keep saying heaven? And then we got some wipes as well. And then this is a talcum powder. I'm guessing this is a powder you can put in your shoes so that you don't get like sweaty and all of that. So that it doesn't smell when you get sweaty. And then I got body lotion, hand and nail cream. I think I got 3 of these or 2. I'm not too sure. Yeah. And then there's a body wash. And body lotion. So they basically gave us 3 body lotions of different. So there's another one. Different. What can I say? I don't know. Different something. And another talcum powder. So that's basically the package. I'm so excited. Oh, and then they also gave us roll-ons. 2 of them. I'm so super excited to be trying all of this.
The next day.
Hello.
Hey sisters,
Njani?
right?
Happy.
Delivery for Julia.
Julia. It's not my parcel! Oh my god. No.
Hey, you're my sister. All right.
Oh, I've been waiting.
Okay.
Kunin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Julia. Thank you. My parcel is here. Hey. Who is this fine babe now? Eh? Fine girl. Woo! God. I look so pretty. Ooh. Yeah, guys. Why do I look so hot? Like, what? Is this me? So guys, I just finished recording a Shein thingy. Not a Shein haul. I literally got like a few things from Shein and I want to unbox with you guys. but I'm not gonna be sharing any details because I did a separate video about my whole experience shopping from Shein. So I just want to quickly show you guys what I got. Yeah, so I got this bag. Guys, this bag is so tiny. I really didn't expect it to be this tiny, but I think it's cute. Yeah, it's really giving. Let me see if I put something in there. There, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And then I also got this necklace that I'm wearing. This was 23 rand. Dress I'm wearing as well, it was, how much was it? 120. I also got pants. These are like formal pants. This is how they look. They're just simple. These were 120 as well. And I got lashes. It's a pack of 4. It was 28 rand, I think. Yeah, I'm actually wearing the other pair right now, but yeah, I'm sure you guys can see it. If you want details of everything, please do watch my video. I'm gonna be posting it first, so if you haven't watched it, please do watch the video. So I just came up here just to tell you guys, like, this month has just been you understand, like, I haven't been vlogging, I haven't been doing anything pretty much, but I don't even know when you guys are gonna see this. Yes, but yeah, it is what it is. Please do watch my Shein review video. And yeah, I'm just at home. It's a Saturday. I'm at home chilling. I was recording, creating content, you know, the vibes, looking cute or whatever. I'm about to just take pictures. I haven't eaten. It's literally 2:30. And yeah, I'll call it a day because I'm tired and it's super cold. But yeah, this was really good. I just have one more video that I have to do. I have to do a video for the Bramley campaign and then I'll be done. I am so late for that video, like, but that's everything. So let me just pack and then yeah, and take a few snaps and get back into my normal clothes because I'm feeling cold. Anywho, good morning, guys. It is days later, but I just want to quickly plug you on some few things that I got that are really cute. Oh, by the way, we have load shedding and it's 6 in the morning. Anywho, I got this lip juicy bomb and oh my gosh, you can literally eat it. It smells amazing and it tastes amazing. And look at that. And you guys know I love my lips shining. So anyway, how are you guys doing? This vlog is just all over the place, child. Like, you guys just have to forgive me. June was just, like I already said in my previous clips, June was like, there was nothing much really going on in June except for load shedding and the cold. But nonetheless, keep moving. Oh my god, my hair. So I bought a few things, and I just want to quickly show you guys because oh my god, prepare to be sick of me. That's all I have to say. So let me start with the jacket. I got this jacket from Mr. Price and it was actually on sale. I was so happy. So it was 200, and what I really liked is this fur. Like, oh my god, it's really super cute. It's a corduroy. So this is how the baby looks, and I took a large because I like my jackets to be, you know, big. Yeah, I took a large so that it's slightly bigger on me. So this is how it looks. I love it. Love it. Prepare to see me a lot in this. And then guys, right, you know I bought boots, I don't know, is it last year? Last year, yes, and they were slightly bigger, so I had to take them back and I couldn't find the size and they were out of stock everywhere else. So this time around I was like, baby, what was that? Anyway, I got these boots from Shein in my correct size 5, and I love them. I am in love. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me posting these. But yeah, I got them from Shein for 400 rand, and I'm obsessed. That's all I can say. I'm obsessed. Love, 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 love them. Look at that. Guys, please take me seriously, please. Put some respect on my name when I'm wearing this. Okay, so yeah, I got these. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to plug you on these because they, like I said, prepare to be sick of me. So those are the cute new things that I got, and I just wanted to show you guys because, you know, if you guys would like to know what I use in my curls, I'm just gonna put a picture here because this thing is really a plug. I was plugged by boy Pillow K and I never looked back. Like, this thing does wonders. So I'm also gonna plug you guys. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, and yeah, get your curls to look this curly. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I do hope that you subscribe to my channel and you give this video a thumbs up, and please guys, get me to 800 subscribers. We are almost there. So please tell your friends, please tell your friends, please tell your cousins, your boyfriends, your whoever is to subscribe and support the girl. I love you guys so much. I will see you on my next video. Bye.